Hey traders, Jim here. Today we're going to talk about IREN and the trade that I took and the reason for that. In the past, you've heard me say that I wouldn't trade IREN. I thought it was too risky. IREN has really started transforming itself from a Bitcoin mining company into a leading data center and AI cloud operator. They're shifting their focus from ASIC miners to GPUs, and IREN is capitalizing on the growing demand for AI services. And they've got nearly 23,000 GPUs deployed now. They're aiming for over 500,000 in revenue just from that stream, from the AI cloud services. They're offering steadier, higher margin income compared to the volatility of crypto mining. Their strategic rebranding and investment in AI optimized facilities position IREN to capture the fastest growing AI market while maintaining its presence in the Bitcoin mining. All right, let's take a look at my trade. This is the Thinkorswim order right here that I placed this morning, and you can see that I did one sell to open of IREN 18 June 40s. So the stock itself was at $58 when I placed this put. I got $1.82 out of it, so $182 per contract. And just a nice little trade. I already went over why I traded IREN right now, and because I wouldn't have in the past, and I think this is going to be a nice addition to my trades. If you remember, I scaled out of a couple contracts of SMCI and contract of Carnival Cruise Lines and wanted to add something else in, and IREN is what I chose. So if we go over here to the trade journal, I added it into the trade journal. You can see that the $40 strike price after commissions 181.45, and annual rate of return on that's 43.6%, or the rate of return for the holding period is 4.5%. So right now the stock went up over $60 already, and I could have bought that put back that I bought this morning for only $1.17 at the ask price. I was very tempted, but I'm going to hold it. If I get 50% out of it within the next few days, you better believe I'm going to close it and take that 50%, and I'll start looking for something else. Otherwise, great trade. And let's head over to the top here. So you can see right now where we're at. We're back up to 62% deployed. Annual return on deployed is 35.79. That does not include compounding. And annualized return on the whole account is 24.17. Again, it does not include compounding. And if we go total profits and losses now, we're back up to 57.45. And then the income breakdown here gives us, in May already now, $504. So we'll get that up. Probably not as high as the other months. Maybe something around $1,200-1,500 is what I'm looking for this month. But we'll see. And that should do it. If you have any questions, hit me up at OptiTrades. And coming over, take a free trial, OptiTrades. And we'll see you over in the trade room. And please like and subscribe to this video. We're a new channel overall, and hopefully you guys like the content. Have a great day.